Study on Working Capital Management in Sterling Solitaires Private Limited, submitted by A. Sahaya LLC, RAM number 1000, register number ME20541, under the guidance of Mr. M. R. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Vaitek Rangasanga Arts College. Meaning, working capital is the fund available for managing day-to-day requirement of an enterprise. The initial investment of cash for production or for any other function is an enterprise is also known as working capital. Of my study, primary objectives: to study on working capital management with reference to Sterling Solitaires Private Limited at Chennai. Secondary objectives: to study the sources and uses of working capital, to study the liquidity position through various working capital related ratio, to suggest measure for effective management of working capital, to analysis the requirement for working capital through percentage of sales method, to analysis the trend percentage through the working capital. Study. The scope of study is identified after and during the study is conducted. The main scope of the study was to put into practical and theoretical aspects of the study into real-life work experience. The study of working capital is based on tools like ratio analysis, statement of working capital, percentage of sales method, and trend analysis. Further, the study is based on last 5 years annual report of Sterling Solitaires Private Limited. An important of the study. This project is helpful in knowing the company's position of fund maintenance and setting the standard for working capital, current ratio level, and debtors turnover ratio, current assets to sales turnover level, size of current liability, and etc. This project is helpful to the management for expanding the present availability of funds. This project is also useful as it combines the present year data with the previous year data, and thereby it shows the trend analysis. It is increased funds or decreased funds. Of the study. The analysis is limited to just 5 years of data study from year 2009 to 2013 for financial analysis. Limited instructions with the concerned heads due to their busy schedule. The findings of the study are based on the information retrieved by the selected unit. Research methodology. It is a way to systematically solve the research problem. It may be understood as a science of studying. Now research is done systematically. In that various steps, those are generally adapted by the researcher in studying his problem along with the logic behind them. Analytical research. Analytical research is defined as the research in which research has to be used facts or information already available and analyze these to make a critical evaluation of facts, figures, data or material. Tools used for analysis of data: ratio analysis, statement of working capital, percentage of sales method, trend analysis. Findings. The current asset increased in the year of 2009 to 2010. Working capital also increased for this year. The working capital position is decreased for this year 2010 to 2011 and 2011 to 2012 due to the increasing current liabilities. The working capital increased in the year of 2012 to 2013, and this is because of consistency in maintaining the record level of the company. Liquid assets in the year of 2008 to 2009 are 1.75, but it is decreased by 1.46 in 2012 to 2013 due to increasing in current assets and increasing in current liabilities. Hence, the company can meet in requirements. The current ratio is decreased by 1.51 in 2012 to 2013 comparing to the last year. Debtors turnover ratio for the year 2008 to 2009 is 5.95 and 2010 to 2013 increased for implied debt payment by debtors or delayed for the year 4.83 to 34.3. Cash position is high for the year 2008 to 2009. It increased the cash position for the year of 2010 to 2013. So the company utilizing the resources in a proper way. The actual overall sales for 2009 is rupees 2 crore 50 lakh and 78,621, and the estimated value is rupees 3 crore 76 lakhs and 17,932, and estimated working capital is rupees 58 lakh and 11,304. Actual sales in the year of 2012 are rupees 4 crore 32 lakhs and 25,337, and the estimated value is rupees 6 crore 48 lakh and 38,006. Comparing to current assets, the current liabilities value is decreased, so the company estimated value is increased. The actual sales in the year of 2013 is rupees 4 crore 19 lakh and 59,548, and the estimated sales value for 2014 is rupees 6 crore 29 lakh and 39,322. From the above table, 2011 and 2013 liquidity position was highly unsatisfactory. However, during 2010 and 2012, it improved by liquidity position has become normal and highly satisfactory. The growing trend in working capital is reassuring. Suggestions. The working capital has increased due to increasing in current assets. So the company has to maintain the current assets and to reduce the current liabilities. The liquidity ratio has to be decreased for the year 2009 to 2013. So the company has to improve the stock level. It can be said that the overall financial position of the company is good, but it is required to be improved from the point of view of profitability. Analysis in the year of 2010 and 11 was decreasing. For decreasing semi-finished goods, so the semi-finished goods has to be improved. Comparing to the actual value is more than the expected value. So the working capital requirement is not sufficient for the company. So they have to improve the requirements. Conclusion. From the above analysis and interpretation, I have found that the company working capital management is a good position, as it is improving from year to year and it is in growth position. I would like to conclude that the company is taking effective steps to maintain its working capital management. It is in good position. Thank you.